Welcome in the kitchen. So glad you're all here on this rainy day. We are waiting for our remnants, whatever we get out of this hurricane that's coming up through Florida. So it's just going to rain for days. So I'm in here trying to get us some supper together. And I've been saving this onion. This is the last of my candy onions. I'm so sad. I've been saving it though to do this recipe with y'all. And I don't think I'm going to use the whole thing. I think I'm only going to use about half of it. So maybe I can, have a little bit more along, just for a little bit. Of course, most of y'all know by now I live in Tennessee, and we've got this dish called Tennessee onions. So I've been saving my West Virginia onion to make Tennessee onions, because you want a sweet onion to do this, and you just want to slice them real thin, just like this. And I'm just slicing. Just thinly slicing them. Okay, bring y'all down here so y'all can watch what I'm doing. Okay, y'all can see right in here. Can't you? Y'all are kind of cattywampus. All right. So into this dish, we're just going to put these onions. Don't want that little brown speck. Look like part of the root end. And this onion is so big, y'all. There's, just two of us to eat this, and maybe just one, that being me. Can't eat that whole onion at one time. I cannot. So, all right, there's our onion. Now then, I rinse off my fingers so I don't start to cry. We're going to go in here with just a little bit of garlic powder, and I'm just going to sprinkle this across the top, just like that. And a little bit of oregano, just a little bit, just sprinkle it across the top. Just like that. Now we're going to go in with some Parmesan cheese the same way. We're just going to sprinkle it across the top. About however much you think you want. Now then, I'm going to go ahead and add my butter, because you're supposed to add butter. So we're going to add our butter right here. We want that Parmesan cheese to go down in there with those onions. Okay. And you always want to use a sweet onion for this. The sweeter the better. Because this is just a dish in itself. Just onions, you all. It's nothing but an onion. You can use as much butter as you'd like. I'm probably going to use a couple tablespoons on this. I'm just kind of cutting it up, thinly slicing it. Y'all can see sometimes it's just real thin. It's a little thicker. That's all right. It's just going to melt down in there. All right. Maybe this little corner right here might need a little bit more. Okay. There we go. Now then, I'm going to add in some shredded mozzarella cheese. Just a little bit. And some shredded cheddar. Use any combination of cheeses you want to use. Any combination you want to use. All right. There we go. This goes into a 350-degree oven for, about 35, 40, 45 minutes till your onions are nice and tender and everything is just looks so happy, and your cheese will kind of be browned on top. I'll be back when I get it out. Okay, y'all, here's our Tennessee onions. Look at that. I'm going to get me a fork and taste them for you all. I already know they're delicious because I made them before lots of times. lots of times. All this cheese, butter, and onions. Look at that. Nothing better. That is so good. That is your forgotten vegetable, you all. Onions. Side dish. Perfect side dish. Yummy. Throw you some green tomatoes and some squash in here too. And that makes a great... Layer them in there just like I did those onions. Some green tomatoes and some squash with all those cheeses. Some butter. Yum, 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 yum. That'll be all for this one. Y'all remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.